So that's the entrance down there. We are over in that section on the side near the trees.
Yeah, you can't see Maggie from here.
But this is just a pan.
This is a nice campground.
This is a pan of the beginning part of the campground. There's plenty of open space. It's nice.
Oh.
So off to the right as you're coming in.
All little nooks and crannies around
This is
here.
Apple Way. Do another pan. You can see there's a lower section to the campground.
Yes, there is a river running along this campground also. That's
Something very unique. This gives the history of this campground till '94 anyways. Got a playground, basketball court, and a little mini golf area.
There's a first for me. That's cool.
That is cool. How unique is that? Never gave that a thought. We have all kinds of old shovels in that garage.
Oh, you mean it didn't come that way from Home Depot?
From the old shovel. There's all this open area that's not utilized.
Yeah, if they weren't closed in the winter, there'd be a little sledding hill right here.
Yeah. Over there, behind those trees, there appears to be a pond.
Ice skating. See, there's just all sorts of possibilities for the winter here.
We'll continue this way.
Nope, you can tell they're stocking their picnic tables
Yep.
for the winter. They do close tomorrow.
Shuffleboard and a building of which we're going to go figure out. And over there in that trailer is laundry.
I think they do it there, or we have to do it ourselves.
Pool area with restrooms. Arcade room. And the pool.
How come all the pools that we've been to are closed?
Because it's cold. So I would call this a full-fledged rec hall. There's a kitchen area here. And apparently they sell ice cream. And they have a jukebox. Pool table. Chuck's happy. They have a pinball machine.
No one has a pinball machine anymore.
No, that's awesome. But we didn't bring any.
Back, we didn't bring any money.
All kinds of tables and air hockey. Very nice. And if you need to do laundry, they do have a laundry room.
Yeah, but Cheryl doesn't have to do laundry anymore, do you, hon?
No, and I'm loving it.
Okay, well, you have to do it, but you can do it in the RV.
Yeah.
Bye, that just popped up. We'll show you how we put in our own washer and dryer.
From the playground to the left is the little office. Take a look at this.
Is this the second campground that we've seen still has a payphone and a phone booth?
Wonder if it works. Go try it out, babe.
Alright, you probably gotta put money in. It still says 25 cents for 2 minutes. It's for you.
And this is the bottom section of the campground, which we're going to check out now. Campground owners live back there. Over here, there's a little bridge. And horseshoes. As we go around, over here's the bathhouse. So there are little cabins. Looks like there's 4 of them that we've come across. And this is the lower section. This is the Babbling Brook.
We could kayak that. I know we could.
Oh yes, yeah. We're up there, behind those trees.
Winter possibilities continue. There's a ski slope with jumps already built in. It's a tough bunny slope.
It's the bathhouse, restrooms, very bright. most of the sites seem to have full hookups, so I don't even know if these get used that often. It's warm in here too. And this is the upper section.
If you require 50 amp service, you will probably be up here if you came. There's another section too, I believe, that has 50 amp available.
And there she is.
As dirty as she can be.
Mm-hmm.
Next week we get to wash and wax her. Ooh.
And winterize.
Oh, yeah.
Boy. Yep, we are closing down this campground.
Third one.
From Maggie's behind.
Remember that babbling brook we showed you?
We can see it down below.
So, hun, would we stay here again?
Absolutely.
Yes, we would. And if you guys enjoyed this video, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. And if you want to become part of the Get Gone With Us gang, right down there in the right-hand corner, you just click that, boom, you're in.
You can comment and share this video.
Yep, right down below. Because until we make another campground video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
We'll Get Gone With Us.
Bye.
Honey, we're gonna go home now.
Oh.